Dr. Vakar is not there. He's there. Okay, you can read. You are the candidate. I am the role player.
Yeah, okay. So setting is GP surgery clinic, role GP registrar. You are talking to a patient named Lake Bailey. Lake Bailey is 15-year-old girl who has had an 18-year-old boyfriend for 1 year and has no knowledge of the contraception. She has a normal menstrual history. They have not used a condom, and Lei finds it very difficult to discuss this issue uh, with her boyfriend. She worries about getting pregnant and is afraid of her parents' reaction. She also demands that you do not tell her parents about this consultation. So, task is to discuss the issue relating to contraception and safe sex. Okay, so somebody
Okay.
timer.
I will set the
Some
time. You
put the
continue.
time. Set the time.
I will set the time.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Just 1 minute.
Okay,
1 minute. Okay. You can start.
okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, doctor.
I am Dr. Hiren, one of the adolescent and children doctor here. I believe I am talking to Lake Bailey.
Yes, doctor. I am Lake Valley.
So, Miss Lake, nice to meet you. Thanks for coming today. Do you know why we are meeting today?
Yes, doctor.
Yeah. So, today I will talk to you regarding the contraception and some issues related to that, as well as the safe sex. Rest assured that the stock will remain confidential. So, is that the right time to talk with you?
Yes, doctor. I came for that. Actually, I have a boyfriend. So my parents didn't know this about my boyfriend, and to be open, I am sexually active with my boyfriend. So I'm quite worried about to be get pregnant and the other things.
Yes, I can understand your worry. This is right concern, like you are a young girl and uh, having a sexual relationship can put you in trouble. So let me explain you something about the contraception, why it is necessary. During our talk, any point of time, if you feel I am not clear, you can just ask me. I will go through it again. So,
Oh,
uh, lay sexual relationship without using contraception usually can be harmful in terms of many ways. First of all, there is risk of becoming pregnant. Become pregnant at early age. It's also not safe. It not safe for the you yourself also, as well as for the baby. As well as the second thing is it causes a lot of embarrassment while becoming pregnant early, because especially when the parent are not aware about the relationship. Second thing, the if we don't use the contraception device like the condoms, then it can also put at
doctor,
risk of
sorry, doctor, I will interrupt you here.
yeah, no
Actually,
problem.
I don't know what is the contraception. You are telling me the if I will not use the contraception, I will be pregnant and it will be not good for. I know for that I came here. I know this is my worries, but I don't know what is contraception.
Yes, this is a good question. Like, uh, basically, contraception are some of the methods which used to uh, protect the pregnancy as well as to prevent some sexually transmitted disease. So there are a couple of methods are recommended. Like one of them is wearing condom, as well as another is like some of the device which they put into the mother's sac. So have you heard about this before?
No, doctor, I don't know. I just heard about uh, there is boys are using some condoms, but my boyfriend don't want to use that. So that's why I'm thinking that if there is any for me.
Yes. Yeah, there is a condom available for the female also. Um, you know why it is important to use this condom?
You are just to avoid this get pregnant, which I
Yes,
am thinking.
yes. It protects in both ways. It protects from the getting pregnant itself, as well as it also protects from sexually transmitted infection. Some of the infection probably you might have heard, like syphilis and HIV. All this can be prevented if proper contraception methods has been practiced.
So doctor, tell me, I want to ask one thing. You are telling me
Yes,
about the
most welcome.
sexual transmitted infections.
Yes,
So I have done this so many times, unsafe sex. So what should I do now? Even though I am not having any symptoms. So what should I do?
yes, Slay, it's very um, right concern. I can understand you looks quite worried about this. So first of all, uh, whenever unsafe sex is practiced, at that time, observe for the menstrual period, also check for the pregnancy test, as well as try to bring your partner also, so we can talk to you about the safe sex practices, as well as the use of the contraceptive
6 minutes.
to how to use this.
6 minutes.
Yeah. First of all,
So doctor, you are telling me about this teenage pregnancy and there are hazards to the baby, something like this. What may be that?
yes, first of all, sex below the age of 16 year is legally it is not accepted, and the hazards, like if the teenage girl become pregnant, she might get a lot of congenital abnormality also might be possible, as well as the baby also sometimes can be premature or can be preterm delivery. So these are the risk of the having pregnancy in that age.
Uh, Doctor, I got your all. Can you prescribe me this? You are telling these contraceptions, and can you prescribe me so that I may have safe sex?
Yeah, I will definitely give you advice about this, but I would like to refer you to some family planning clinic. They will guide you through the different type of the contraceptive devices, as well as they will help you also in guiding further, like how to avoid this and what are the necessary steps to be taken if you have unsafe sex. I would also like.
But doctor, you are referring me to the family planning clinic. They will tell my parents. For that, I came to you.
Yes, Miss Lee, I can understand that you don't want to let your parents know. This is your right, but my suggestion, I will just give you some of the uh, thoughts. You can think over that, and later on, if you feel it is necessary, you can yourself try to talk to your parents. See, first of all, your partner, boyfriend might have a different relation with the other girls, as well as sometime if if the baby bump is detected, then the parents usually thinks for the best interest of the child. If you don't want to talk to your parents, somebody who is very close to you, you can also bring them so that we can discuss with them, so that whenever you need their help, they can be helpful to you. Am I clear?
Yes, doctor, but okay, I will think about this. But my parents are very okay. I will
Yes.
think about this.
Yes, Miss.
Doctor, should I go for? I have regular my uh, periods, but should I go for pregnancy test still?
9 minutes.
Yes, yes, Miss Lay, we can discuss this issue in our next meeting. For the time being, I think I have given you a lot of information, and I tried to give you the all possible information. We can arrange a next meeting if you have a further question. And meanwhile, take this leaflet, think over it, and also we'll arrange meeting with the family planning clinic, so that further if you have more questions, we will definitely address those in the next meeting. Thank you for your time, Ms. Lay, and I wish you a good day.
Thank you, doctor.
You are welcome, Ms. Lay.
So overall, it was a good.
Okay, so
Uh,
Dr. Uh,
yes,
yes, Doctor, you feedback.
yeah. Overall, Doctor, here it was a good. You have given all the queries you have answered. Few things I want to tell. It will be better that you should start from tell me your specific worries, because this if this scenario will come in the exam, they will not write that you will have to talk about the contraception or safe sex. They will give you just a scenario. So better to start with tell me your specific worries or expectations out of this consultation like this. So I will tell you that, doctor, I have this. Then you can start from the contraception. You have start by yourself about the contraceptions, and even in the scenario have written that I don't have any idea, and you are telling me what is you didn't tell me the contraception what is this, and you are telling me the uh, mm, good effects of the contraception. First you should ask me about the idea, as you don't know about the contraception. Then you can little bit tell, if you know, that's better. There are different artificial methods or techniques to
Hmm.
prevent the pregnancy as a consequence of sexual intercourse. So
Yeah, I
like
just actually my first question I put like, do you know why we are meeting today? At that point, I was like expecting maybe you will come out like we are here to discuss. Then you said yes only. You told me yes, yes, but you did not tell me. So,
no, I told you I'm here. No, I told you I'm here because I'm doing unsafe sex, and I'm here
yeah, that
might
later
be I will
on.
be pregnant, and my parents I give you for from that I start. So you can
Yes.
uh, yeah, for the safe sex there are different methods, you can start from there. So you should pick for this.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then you can say about the barrier methods, or there are some tablets which can be prescribed and can be given, or there are some condoms, or female condoms or male condoms, and there are some devices which are put inside the private parts.
Right.
Okay, you
Right.
told in the mother you use the word mother parts like this, I forget this. So don't use the mother in the private parts of the girl. So
Mm-hmm.
then you have sexually transmitted infection. You have given me this information two times, so that's why I asked you. So for this I asked you, should I go for the test even though I don't have any symptoms? For that I will tell you that they have written clearly that many of the people with sexual transmitted infection do not get symptoms, and it's worth getting tested even if you feel fine, so that you can have a treatment as soon as possible. So they have written this in the NHS guidelines. So if anybody is having this sexual intercourse, so they go for unsafe, I mean to say. So, and the third thing, which I usually I'm writing, and now I'm just remembering. Yeah, you told that it is illegally under 16 is not allowed. No, this is under 13. Above 13 is allowed. That was wrong information.
No, it is 16.
Any other
It
body?
is 16. It is 16.
Any
I
other
don't
body?
know about it.
Legal age for sexual these things is 16, and for alcohol is 18.
I think it is
Anyone else has the feedback?
and I have yesterday I have just reading this one. They are saying that even though under 16 they have written, okay, under 16, even though you will have to tell each and everything, don't tell this legally or not. The other things that was very good, that it's a good, that better to take one of the family member in confidence, that really very nice. And about the family planning clinic which I asked you, they will tell my parents, so they are not telling. This is very confidential. They have clearly mentioned that even the peoples are the young girls or the young boys, they are going to have some consultation at the family planning clinic. The confidentiality is not compromised.
Okay.
Yeah, from my side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah, for
anyone
the
else has the feedback?
last I asked you
Thank
that
you.
9 minutes over. Pregnancy test should be advised.
I said when you asked for the unsafe sex, no. So at that time I said you have to done pregnancy test as well as medical test should be done. But I
Okay,
cannot
maybe.
elaborate in
I,
detail like which
maybe I
infection
didn't
you
listen.
have to do.
Yeah, maybe I didn't listen. Sorry.
Usually, I think in this scenario, 3, 4 things are very important. I feel like STD part should be covered, and other is like
Yes, Dr. Heran, you covered these things actually. So what is my feedback like? In between, it was a little bit long explanation, and the things at the end you explained, like you have to inform the mother and the other things Dr. Rohil already mentioned. But here the simple things is like, for example, our anxieties are two, like pregnancy and the parents, right?
yes.
So you explained well, but still you have to be just in the syllabus. You will mention about already you explained that we will not tell your parents and these things. But after that, you should have to mention the pregnancy first. Then, as we will go for the STD, that we are also worried about the STD and what is STD. You should tell her, and you told her.
Okay.
So these explanations should be in a little bit chunks. It would not be in the long scenario and long sentences, so that she understand the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, it
My
was okay.
my question is that this is not a comment. Should
Mm-hmm.
we ask for the age of the the girl who is presently to you?
Girl age is given in the scenario, but
It
Yes,
be
partner
given in the
age,
but
scenario.
Why you want to
I
ask
know,
the age?
but you have to make sure how old she is, because
15.
under 16 it's allowed. Under 16, under 16 is the consent for the UK for the sexual intercourse. Okay, it is written in the
They are allowing under 16.
under
They allow.
under under 16 not allowed. After 16,
Okay, so that's clear.
yeah, yeah.
Legally
So
not
we should
allowed under 16. Okay.
yeah. And but in some counties it's vary from something like that. But it is 14 to 16 range they wrote. 14 to 16.
I checked also yesterday. It was like Scotland, Wales, and 3-4 places they mentioned 16.
Yeah,
Yeah,
must
so
be,
we go for 16.
but usually acceptable is 16. So that's
Yes,
why
yes.
we need to ask the age. Make sure
Yes.
how old she is.
Yeah,
What is
yeah.
my suggestion? I don't. And secondly, just involve her in how she came. As you ask her what are your worries, and explain about the medicine. She want a contraceptive pills or what? I don't know what she want only contraceptive device, right?
Yeah,
So she just internally contraception.
Only she wants,
Yeah,
she
yeah,
doesn't know anything. She wants
yeah.
only
Okay.
contraception.
And then secondly,
Okay.
you should have
So,
you must reach. Excuse me. You should have make sure
yes.
this act is safe. Somebody is not misusing her. This is also one of the factor in this discussion.
yes,
When
yeah,
you
that's why.
suppose,
Yes, this is the very no, it is a very important point actually. That's why, like, I mentioned one line. Your partner may have a different partner. His boyfriend
yes,
might
Yes.
this is the
have a different. So that point should be, should
but,
be discussion, because otherwise it can like.
uh, no, Dr. Heron, I'm sorry to say you, but we should not say anything directly. We cannot blame.
Yeah, without blaming, just
Yeah.
in a general
To
third
be
party
sure, he has
discussion.
no. Yeah.
Yeah,
He has
third
no other
party you
problem.
can.
Yeah, you can say he has no other problem like infection like that.
Yeah,
So that you shall say like that. Don't blame at all. You not be judgmental at all.
right.
Yeah, this is what I
but that
and you
is if
use
the age of the boyfriend and the girl, it's a big difference in the age. Then you should worry about that she's not going to be blackmailed.
that
But
is the
in
thing.
this
Yeah,
case, she's 15 and boyfriend is 18. Yeah.
it's 18.
So it's not that much
Any
age difference.
well, it is any sometime they asking you should make sure
Yes, you
about the
are,
boyfriend.
Dr. Bhatti, you are 100% right. The age of a partner as well as the boyfriend's other relation. These like major information. It is given
And
here in this
Doctor,
scenario, but
yes.
otherwise it
That's
is
why That's
major.
why they mentioned both age. We're
Yes,
supposed to ask the age for both sides. And you should ask age, what is age? What is your age? May I know if it is
right,
possible? You need a sophisticated way. Okay.
right.
And then you use something congenital anomalies. I don't know how it come from a slip of tongue, something like that. What I heard. You use
Yeah.
some word congenital anomalies. It was totally wrong. So we cannot predict anything, from pregnancy point of view. We cannot say anything before the time.
Yeah,
So this thing, as precise as is possible. I also used to make mistake, but I'm telling you for our correction.
right.
Yeah, what I have heard, to be honest
Okay,
and
thank
very.
you.
Yeah.
No,
But two
thank
things
you.
are there. Two things
So we should go for the
are,
history.
1 minute only.
Yes.
Dr. Bhatti, in the literature, there are two things. Early pregnancy may have some hazards like miscarriages and premature delivery. That is in the literature. And IUGR.
Yeah, both. But
We can say that.
but he used word congenital anomalies.
No, that I
this
understand.
thing.
That I understand.
Yeah.
But I'm just telling that.
Early pregnancy.
Yeah, early pregnancies have some risk of miscarriages
Yeah.
and premature deliveries.
Yeah, for sure. This is the
Yes, Dr.
we
Ray,
have to
please
mention.
send this information on the group so that we will read them. Okay. So please send this information on the group. We will read it, inshallah.
I have.
So we have next.
One this about Gillick competency and other things. I will try to get.
So we will
this.
discuss later. I think today it's
Yeah. Catch this link and we'll send.
discussion on this case. So it's better we'll discuss later. We'll go for the history.
Okay, boss.
Right?
Okay, boss.
Dr. Vakar, if time is sufficient, then better to log in and log again. So that will
Don't
be.
relax.
Uh,
Reconnect.
you can just again end the meeting.